What is going on, guys? You guys have already read the title. It is the Sunday watch list, and what exactly am I looking for this week? And what are the plays that I'm actually looking to enter within the next few days, actually? So with that being said, guys, let's go on ahead and jump right into the intro. I've been getting dirty money. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's going to help you guys, whether it's long-term, short-term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video. What's up, guys? So I want to jump right into this one. You guys know I don't like to beat around the bush a whole lot. I like to get straight to the point and get you guys the information that you came here for. I don't care about my viewer time or anything like that on YouTube. Again, I don't make money on YouTube or from teaching people. I pay enough in taxes that it doesn't happen. So with that being said, and that all cleared out of the way, because I keep getting all of that in my DMs on Instagram and everywhere else. So that being said, we're going to jump into the 3 plays that I actually like. Yes, I know I got 4 stocks up here. The 4th one is SPY, the S&P 500 ETF. Also, if the future /ES. They all mimic each other, just on different scales. So if you guys want to look at that, you guys can definitely all look at that. This is just one. This is the overall market, basically. So the 3 plays I am actually looking for here. So we got 2 upwards, 1 downwards, and I'm going to explain to you how I'm going to play all 3 of them. So CGC is the first one. I believe we are going to continue to go up. This is the 200 EMA, means moving average exponential. For all of you guys that have asked me and don't understand what this is and why I have this on my chart, I have this because this seems to be a main point in pretty much just about everything they talk about it on CNBC. Seems like everybody and their brother talks about a 200 moving average. I just prefer the exponential, so that's what I use. And again, I don't use it to actually make my trades or my strategy. It's just on my chart kind of as a visual to see where, because as you see, it is a little bit harder of a point to get over for a lot of these stocks when it gets to it. Once it breaks through, it actually does break through. This one just happens to be here on these ones. So CGC, I do think we are going to continue to rise up on this one. This is one I will be buying this week. I'm buying calls on this one. Now, why? I keep getting the question, why not buy the stock so you have equity in this position? So what I do is, you guys all know I'm a day trader for a living and an investor. So I do swing trades, day trades, and then I have a long-term account. If I wanted to buy this for long-term, I would just go and buy it in my long-term account. I don't want this for long-term. I do believe that this is going to continue to run up for possibly a couple of months. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy either 3 to 4 months out, a cheap call that's out of the money. Now, when I say cheap call, I'm not saying I'm buying 1 or 2 out of the money, guys. I'm going to look at it more than likely on a scale of about 16 to 17 out. And that's where I will end up playing this one. So that's just what I like. Again, this one isn't a super high price stock. So this is one that I'm going to be looking to actually move a little bit for me. Now, again, it has traded in ranges. So again, I'm not going to go crazy and go, to, let's see what's something crazy here for. So I'm not going to try to go for 25. So honestly, I'll probably end up buying somewhere where the nearest top was. Like a $22 call. Or not a $22 call, but the strike price will be probably $22, $22.50, depending on what the options are. Therefore, I'm not looking at the options chain, so I can't tell you. So when it comes down to the next one, SVXY. I believe that this one's going to go up as well. You guys can see that the 52-week low was over here. Right here, because this is a 1 year, 1 day chart. Again, if you guys want to look at this, it is 1 year, 1 day. So when it comes down to this one, I do believe that this one's going to go up. I think that I'm probably going to buy the strike price of $40 to $45, possibly even a $50 strike price, mainly because I do see that this one has a lot of room to run. Now, again, I am not banking on this one hitting $50 or $45, or I do think that this one will at least hit 40. What I'm going to do is I'm going to buy a call, hold it for months. The further out you go, the less it's going to hit you with decay in the option, and I'm going to be able to swing this trade. So when it does make a big move in 1 day or something, that's probably the day that I will sell it off into it, or it'll slowly gradually go in the money and make me money.
and that's how that works. TLT is the only one that I do think is going to fall. Now, we talked about this one in the last watch list. I'm going to buy a put on this one again. Yes, I did play this one last week at the end of the week. I made a little bit of money. I already took my profits on it. It ended up a green day on Friday. So what I'm going to do is I will be looking for a push back up into this 160 area. It may go over. I may have to hold through that. But I am looking for TLT to continue to fall. I will be buying puts on this one as well in my swing trading account. Yes, I keep my swing trading and my day trading accounts completely separate for purpose of being able to look at data in my account statements and knowing what's making me money and what's not. And that has helped me throughout this year to be able to go, okay, I need to stop swing trading at a certain point in the year when everything was just flat and getting whipsawed. If you guys don't know what whipsaw means, it means it's literally just right here, up, down, up, down, up, down, and there's really no market direction. If there's no market direction, what's going to happen is your option's not going to make any money, and you might as well just sell it and get whatever you can back out of it. So that being said, guys, thank you guys all for watching this watch list. Those are the 3 plays that I am looking to swing. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, comment them below, DM me on Instagram. Again, if you want to become one of my students, we trade live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until about 11 a.m. Other than that, if you need me, you know where to find me.